Are you struggling with sourcing products for your e-commerce store? You're not alone. This video will provide a step-by-step guide on how to import products from China to Pakistan. Step 1. Select your product. For instance, a product on AliExpress that's selling for $3.39. This product was chosen because it's not currently being sold in Pakistan, meaning you can control the market and set your own price. Step 2. Choose 2 variants of the product based on your research of what will perform best in the Pakistani market. Step 3. Opt for paid shipping options. Though it may be slightly more expensive, it ensures your product will not get lost in transit and will reach you in a timely manner, typically within 20 to 30 days. Remember, these steps are not taken randomly. Extensive research is done to ensure the product has a demand in the Pakistani market. It's crucial to consider the demand before introducing any product. Once your product is successful, you can then move from AliExpress to Alibaba for larger volumes. This is a simple process, but one that is often overlooked, causing many to abandon their business prematurely. In summary, the key steps to import products from China to Pakistan are: 1. Select a unique product that's not already available in the Pakistani market. 1. Choose 2 variants of the product. 1. Opt for paid shipping to ensure your product arrives safely and quickly. 1. Conduct thorough research to ensure there's a demand for your product in the market. By following these steps, you can successfully import products from China to Pakistan, helping your e-commerce store to thrive. Remember, it's not just about purchasing a product, it's about understanding the market and ensuring there's a demand for your product. Whether you're importing for your e-commerce store or any other purpose, we hope this video has been helpful in resolving your issues and queries about importing. Until next time, happy importing.